In today's video, I'm going to show you a brand new strategy for how you can get started with affiliate marketing today for absolutely free. And no, not just one of those free ways that actually requires you to pay for something. This strategy is absolutely 100% free. This unique strategy has earned me almost $300 the last 72 hours, and you can get started with it right away without any experience, without any sales funnel, and without having any products of your own. Now, I know what you're saying. Josh, you make like $15K a month with affiliate marketing. What is $300 to you? It's not about what $300 a week to me is. It's about what $300 a week could do for you as a complete beginner trying to learn this business model with literally no startup costs. Just think about what you could do with an extra $300 a week. So let's dive straight into this brand new affiliate marketing strategy that you're not going to see anywhere else. So before we get too far into the strategy, for those of you that are brand new, let's define what affiliate marketing is real quick. And all affiliate marketing is a referral-based style of business where you make recommendations to products or services, and when people buy those products or services because of your recommendation, you get paid a commission. So in this strategy, we are actually going to be giving away a 100% free course, and we're gonna earn commissions from it. And the unique thing about this strategy is all we are going to do is give away a 100% free course that is not ours. We didn't create it. We don't do anything with it. We just give it away to other people, and we sit back and we watch the commissions come in. And if that sounds too good to be true, just stick with me here for a few more minutes and I'm going to show you exactly how this strategy works. Let's dive into the screen share now and I'll walk you through it. All right, so here we are, and this is how the strategy works and everything you need to make it work, okay? You're only gonna need 4 things to make this strategy work. And the first one is an offer, like we were just talking about, okay? In this strategy, I don't see anybody else doing this right now. You are giving away a 100% free course. And this is it right here. It's called the 90-Minute Affiliate Challenge, and I'll leave a link in the description of where you can go to find this. The next thing you're gonna need is a Facebook account, just like this one, okay? This is my Facebook account here, as you can see. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna break this down here in just a minute. Once you get started with that 90-Minute Affiliate Challenge, you will get a page where you can become an affiliate and start promoting this 90-day affiliate challenge. This is where your affiliate links that you will be giving to other people. You're going to be making recommendations. You give them this link. They go to that 90-minute affiliate challenge, and the rest is history, okay? And the last thing that you're going to need is Bitly. Bitly.com. I will leave a link down in the description as well. And all this is a link shortener, and I'm going to show you exactly how all this works together. So hang with me here, because step 1 of the strategy, okay, is you are going to need to get inside the 90-minute affiliate challenge. Again, I don't see anybody else doing this right now. It's a 100% free course that's going to teach you affiliate marketing and will give you a place where you can go to grab an affiliate link and you can start promoting it and earning commissions, okay? So what you're gonna do is once you go through that, again, you're gonna get inside that affiliate challenge, you're gonna click the link where you can become an affiliate inside of the challenge. You're gonna grab your affiliate links, which are gonna look like this. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this default link right here. You'll have this page once you go through that 90-minute affiliate challenge and get approved to be an affiliate. You'll have a portal that looks like this, okay? You're gonna come down here, you're gonna find your affiliate links, okay? And we're gonna select default, make sure it's selected, okay? Just hit copy. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna come over to your Bitly account. You're gonna use this orange button up here. You're gonna click create, and you're gonna copy and paste your affiliate link in there, okay? And here's the reason why we're doing this, because you're gonna make a post on Facebook, okay? And Facebook, they don't really like big long affiliate links, okay? For some reason, they like to flag them as spam. So what we're doing, we're using Bitly to mask that, okay? So it's going to be a different link, which, okay, stay with me here. Let me try and break this down in a way that makes sense, okay? You're putting in your affiliate link right here. You're going to click create, and now you're going to see you actually have a brand new affiliate link. You're going to hit copy, and then you're going to come down here. You're going to hit save. And so what happens is now you have that new link, okay? And instead of posting an affiliate link directly, it's masked. The link is shortened, okay? And as you can see here, instead of having, 90-minute affiliate challenge in my affiliate ID right here, okay, I've customized it to say free 90-minute affiliate challenge, okay? But it's got the bit.ly on the front, which masks it and shows Facebook like, hey, this is not an affiliate link, okay? When in reality, the destination that this bit.ly link will take you to is the affiliate link, okay? And it's super cool because you can actually track all of your clicks this way too. Like as you can see, when I first started this strategy, literally day one, I had 1,325 clicks, okay? And you can see exactly how many clicks total, which is really cool. So again, you can just track it that way. So step one, let's review real quick. Step one, you're gonna come to the 90-minute affiliate challenge. Again, the link is down in the description. You're gonna sign up to be a part of the free course. You're gonna sign up to be an affiliate to promote the free course. When you get access, you're gonna come into your affiliate portal. You're gonna grab your affiliate link right here. You're gonna make your free account on Bitly and get your shortened link, okay? And then just save that in the notes section of your phone. And then you're gonna come over to your Facebook account. And this is where the magic happens, okay? This strategy is so simple, okay? Again, you don't need any sales funnel. You don't need anything crazy. All you're gonna do is you're gonna come over to your Facebook account, okay? And you are going to copy this post exactly if that's what you wanna do, okay? You're gonna come over to your Facebook account, whether you've got a business page or your personal page or you're just gonna come over to your Facebook account and you're gonna make a simple, I call this a CTA style of post. And all it says is 100% free course that teaches the #1 beginner-friendly online side hustle of 2022 and beyond. Who wants it? Comment side hustle and I'll send it your way, okay? Look at how many comments this has got. 1,600 comments of people wanting to know more, of wanting to know the best side hustle. Again, completely free strategy, okay? In all you do, this is how simple it is. You make this, and what's gonna happen is you're gonna get people who are interested, they're gonna engage. And because you told them to comment, now they're gonna comment. Now what happens is Facebook says, oh man, somebody interacted with this post. Okay, we're gonna show it to more people. This must be a really good post. And then they're gonna show it to more people, and more people, and more people, okay? And the more people that comment, the more people it's gonna get shown to, the more people that see it. Again, this is completely free, guys. Facebook is free. You don't have to pay for ads. Can be on your personal account. It can be on a business account. You can make this post completely for free, okay? Now, this is literally a pro tip. This style of post right here, I had to pay thousands of dollars in training and from coaches to learn this strategy, okay? I'm giving it to you for free. And this is how simple it is, okay? Again, you're just making a post. Go ahead and copy this one if you want. Word for word if you need to, okay? But you're just making a simple call to action style of post where you're saying, hey, this is what I got. This is how you can get it. Comment the specific word down below and I'll send it to you. So as people start commenting, here's what you're gonna do, okay? You're gonna go in, they say side hustle, you're gonna reply, okay? Hey, I appreciate you commenting. Go here to access the course. Put in that bit.ly link. As you can see, bit.ly, you put it in there, and what happens? They click on it, they go over the course, they sign up, and again, because it's a free course, okay, people are going to fall in love with that. People love free stuff, okay? And what happens is it's a free course that's going to teach them the basics of affiliate marketing, okay? But on the back end of the free course, there is something that they can possibly purchase, okay? Not everybody's going to purchase it, but if people see enough value in the front end of the free course, they will purchase it, okay? I made my first commission promoting this free offer in literally 34 minutes. Okay, it took 34 minutes. That's it. Okay, again, I don't have a complicated sales funnel. I don't have any offer of my own to promote. It's not even a paid offer that I'm promoting. It's a free course. Okay, so if you're a complete beginner and you're looking for a way to get started with affiliate marketing, this is hands down the easiest way for you to just dive in. Literally pretty much immediately, okay? Again, you don't have to spend time learning marketing. You don't have to spend time building out sales funnels, building out automation sequences, okay? Just do the steps. Go to the link in the description, hit the 90-minute affiliate challenge, go in there, get into your back office, apply to become an affiliate, okay? Grab your affiliate link right here, looks like this, put it in Bitly, in the link shortener, take that link, come on over here to your Facebook, make a post that looks just like this. Hey, I'm giving away a 100% free course that teaches the #1 beginner-friendly online side hustle of 2022 and beyond. Who wants it? Comment side hustle and I'll send it your way. Okay? That's all you're going to do. And when people start commenting, you just reply with your affiliate link. Okay? And look at this. You can see I've already missed a whole bunch. Like, it's too many comments for me to keep up with. And here's another sneaky little strategy that I'm using. Okay? So this is actually my comment on here. It will live at the top. I don't suggest making this comment right away. Don't be the first one to comment on your own post, okay? Let some people start commenting, and then like, look, I had 335 people comment before I even responded. And I said, y'all, 335 comments and climbing in 2 hours. Go here to access the free course from my good friend and mentor, Brian Brewer, okay? So Brian is actually the host of the 90-minute affiliate challenge. And quick backstory about Brian, he is my mentor and my friend now, okay? He helped me start and grow my affiliate marketing business from 0 to 6 figures. It was actually his funnel, his strategies, everything that I learned in that 90-minute affiliate challenge and in his affiliate escape plan on the back end of that challenge. Everything I learned from him is what I used and implemented to earn my first 6 figures online. So me and Brian are still friends to this day. He's an awesome mentor. But anyway, that's a little bit about his challenge. He's one of the GOATs of the industry, okay? What he teaches in that 90-minute affiliate escape plan challenge is it's gold, okay? So go through that challenge, apply to become an affiliate. Now, with all that being said, this is just a very beginner-friendly strategy to get you up and running and hopefully start seeing some results pretty quickly. I do recommend investing further in your education, whether it's in Brian's affiliates escape plan after you go through the 90-minute challenge, investing further into his training, because there are things, if you want to make this work long-term, that you really need to learn, okay? You don't just want to grab free affiliate links and post them on Facebook. Again, it's a great strategy to get started. It can help you earn some money. If that's just what you want to stick with, that's totally fine. But at the end of the day, there are strategies like funnel creation, autoresponders that will increase your results, that will increase your conversions and help you build a more long-term sustainable online business with affiliate marketing. So that's all I got for you today. Make sure you let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to hit that bell notification or hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications so you never miss another upload. Appreciate y'all being here, and I'll catch you later. I'm out.